Homework Hotline, what is your emergency?
All right, it sounds like we have a phone call coming in, our first of the season. Awesome.
Quick.
Yeah, all right. Hello, are you there?
Hey, it's me.
Hi, thank you for calling Homework Hotline. Do you have a homework question to ask us?
Yeah, I do. So I was wondering, how do you find the maximum of the quadratic x squared plus 8x minus 1?
Let's write that down. So x squared minus 8x minus 1.
Oh, plus 8x.
Oh, plus 8x. Okay, that'll make a difference. Okay. And we have to find the maximum. Did you want to do this one, Nate, or do you want?
That sounds like an Algebra 2 question, so
All
you can
right.
hop on that.
I will go for it then. All right, so if you're able to watch, then you can watch our answer right now and we can interact if that's something you're able to do.
Yeah.
All right, so I've got our equation on here. This is a quadratic equation. Do you know what shape quadratic equations always make? Whenever you graph them?
Parabola?
You got it. So this is going to, and I'm just drawing a rough sketch of what it's going to look like, but it's going to look like this U shape, a parabola, like you said. And the maximum is going to be where the vertex is. And so because the maximum is where the vertex is, if we can find the vertex, then we can find the maximum. One way to do this is to take our equation and turn it to vertex form. And so what we'll do is, I use an area model to do this, but when I'm teaching my students. So I'll go ahead and draw that so you can see what I'm talking about. Use an area model, which the area model basically helps convert. We're going to stick the first term in the top left. We'll stick the middle term and we're going to split it up. And what this means, I can go into why, but a little bit later in another episode. But what this means is we can take the 8x squared, the first term and the second term, and turn it into x plus 4 squared. And then we're going to, by completing the square, we had to add 16 to our equation. And so what that means to keep it balanced is we also have to subtract 16 and keep this minus 1 that's there. So then simplifying this, we have y equals x plus 4 squared minus 17. And you can find your vertex in your equation, actually. It comes from these two constants in our equation. And that means our vertex is going to be at -4, -17 in this particular problem. And so usually when they're asking about a max value, they're asking what the y value is. Basically how high up that this vertex goes. And so what we're looking at is this one here. So our y value is -17, so our maximum value is at y equals -17.
Okay.
In this case. So that might be something that you're a little bit familiar with, something your teacher might have started to show you. So anything else specific on that you have questions on, of that work that you saw?
No, actually, I got all of it, so thank you.
Good, awesome. Well, thank you for calling. I appreciate your calls.
Thank you.
All right, have a good day.